Hi everyone. So that's the Innova Crysta which we have received. So we will be doing Lexus Kit modification for this car. Stay tuned to Autorounders. We are from Mumbai and you can call us on 7666 930 930 for any modification or customization related jobs. We are also into premium car maintenance, and that's our workshop where the work will be done. It's in Mumbai near International Airport. Thank you guys. So you can see the front customization job is going on for this Innova Crysta. We are putting Lexus Kit in this Crysta. The side skirts are already done and even the rear bumper work is done, you can see. So guys, stay tuned, we will update you about this car. So that's the Innova Crysta which is modified by Autorounders in Mumbai. So you can see finally the kit is installed. So this is Innova Crysta in which we have installed the Lexus Kit. We just painted this kit in paint booth. You can call Autorounders on 7666 930 930. We are from Mumbai. Thank you for watching this video guys.